Good evening, Sir Edgar. So for tonight, I'm going to show you the another long test. So it's the same as the previous long test, but this time we are going to include the identity of the customer or vendor as part of the input parameter. So here is the condition for case 1 and 2. Should be EM Torres, where EM Torres is the inputted name of the customer. And for 3 and 4, the entry should be AP J of Chavo, where J of Chavo is the name of the inputted name of vendor. So there, both of them will be valid names. So I've already opened my SQL Management Studio, and I've actually practiced it earlier. So I used EM Torres and J. Ochavo for the names. But in the next example, I'm going to use different names for personalization. So let's start. So it should come out the same as how I inputted the EM Torres and J. Ochavo in the conditions. So here is the code for it. I've also run it and it was successful. There are 3 events, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So just like in the previous long test, ayun, nakalagay dito. So pag event number 1, AR, tas yung name and amount, tas may sales and yung amount din. 2, cash naman siya, and dito naman sa baba, yung AR with the name and amount. Tapos, pag event number 3, purchases and AP. AP and then yung name and amount. And lastly, pag fourth, AP, name, amount, tas cash na amount. Okay, let's do it na. Execute start procedure. So, event number 1, amount is 5555, let's say. Tapos, name is JKG Gonzalez. Click OK. So it's successful. Now we check the journals. So it should be just like the EM Torres. So it's JK Gonzalez, debit 5555 5555. Here's the account. And then below is sales. Okay. Let's move on to the next. Execute. Value is 2. Amount is, let's say, 6,000. For JK Gonzalez as well. So, okay. It's successful. We now go to the journals. As you can see here, it's just the same as this one. So, cash, nasa taas, then AR, JK, Gonzalez, and 6,000, 6,000. Next, journals. And then, oops, sorry. Journalize, then execute. Third, 3, money, let's say 7,000. And for the name, let's just make it as LD Gonzalez. Let's say JK David. Okay, so click OK. Yan, then journals. So it's just the same. And lastly, the fourth. So for the fourth event, execute. Four. And then let's say 3, 9. J.K. David. Okay. We check journals. Now, as we can see here, it's just the same as the one in the APJ Ochavo. So, AP, J.K. David, then Cassius below, and 39, 39. Okay, so I guess that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!